you guys? If you haven't been here before, I'm Kirsten. Welcome to Kirsten Naturally. Today, I'm gonna talk about 5 easy ways to make your meals healthier. And I'm doing this because I've been asked quite a bit actually recently, what are some easy, quick ways for somebody to just make whatever they're already interested in eating a bit healthier? So without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1 is going to be add chia seeds. I add chia seeds to sauces that I've made or sauces that I buy, dressings I've made or dressings that I buy. Another thing that I love to do is add chia seeds to my peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. I just slap it on both sides before I pop it together. I thicken my cheese sauces with this. Honestly, chia seeds are the bomb. It's the best thickener. A lot of people use flax seeds, flax eggs. I love to use chia eggs in baking. So you can really start thinking about how you can incorporate this based on what it does, how it makes things more thick and gelatinous. And you can also think about it as just a topping, a quick, easy omega to add, super healthy fat. Next one, number 2, is going to be hemp hearts. And this one is kind of like number 1, the chia seeds, except for that hemp hearts are even more versatile. They do not change the texture and they have absolutely zero taste to them. So, or at least I think they have no taste to them. I don't know, you tell me in the comments what you think about that. But I love to top them on anything I can get my hands on. I mean, salads, Thai curries, cereal, chocolate, anything. Like, just add hemp hearts to whatever you're eating right now and find a way to get it in your mouth and chew. They're awesome. They're so great for energy. When I have a couple tablespoons in a smoothie, I'm like, boom, we in this. And let's see, I've got a list of things you can add hemp seeds to, and I'm feeling a little bit like I need to hit my list. I've got salads, avocado toast, how did I miss that one? Pasta, pizza, vegan mac and cheese, dude, come on. Think of all the possibilities. Ooh, this is a good one that I wrote down for myself. I'm glad I have these notes. That's what I keep looking at, by the way. I add about 1/3 hemp hearts to 2/3 nutritional yeast in a shaker, and now you have a cheesy hemp heart shaker, you know, and pop it in the fridge for storage to keep it long lasting. As with all the hemp heart products, just put hemp hearts right into the fridge. Chia seeds, same thing. I feel like I should have said that for chia seeds as well, but now I am, so done. Number 3 is going to be make sure that you have an antioxidant with every meal. And I didn't realize until kind of recently how important it is to have fruit with every single meal. It has really changed the way that I feel. And after learning a lot and reading several studies, I've found that actually the oxidative effects of food on our body, we need to incorporate antioxidants with every meal, or else we are actually taxing our body of antioxidants. So it is crucial when you wake up in the morning, if you're gonna have, like, let's say breakfast cereal or oatmeal, you need to have fruit with that. And it's not just a little bit, like we're talking about a half a cup or more, like a half a cup to a cup of blueberries, prime time. You're good to go. So adding fruit, and some people think, well, I don't like to eat fruit with my meals. That's fine. You don't have to eat it necessarily with your meal, but start to train yourself to eat fruit maybe prior to your meal then, or have fruit as your dessert or your little treat after each meal. Treat it like that. You don't have to have it on top of your food. Number 4 is greens. And I know that everybody says this, but I feel like that's the reason why it's kind of intimidating, is everybody just says greens, but you need to articulate what that means. And for me, mine is arugula. I love arugula, so I try to just add arugula, a handful or 2, to the top of my pan of vegetables right when it's about to be done cooking, and it kind of steams over it. I also love to just have like lightly cooked kale with ACV and a little bit of soy sauce and a little bit of olive oil. That's like my favorite. And I think that you really need to just focus on one green at first. If you're not really into having greens in general, just pick one. This isn't like a super green drink or nothing kind of thing. Just take it easy. So that's good. That's really good. We're on to the next one. greens, easy peasy. So number 5 is my favorite one because it's my most fun one to incorporate in my day-to-day life. I've just really loved indulging in this, and that is eating an avocado every day or as often as possible. And some people might get me and say, oh, well, that's so expensive, Kirsten. I can't afford eating an avocado every day. And maybe, I don't know your situation, maybe you can't. That's why I say as often as possible. But I encourage you to really look at how much you're spending, look at your budget, and look at how much you can get a bag of avocados for. I get mine from Trader Joe's, and I buy the teeny tiny bag of like 4, I think. And the price fluctuates through the year based on the season, obviously, but it's not ever over $4 for 4 of these teeny tiny avocados, and I'm totally down to pay $1 a day for me to have the most amazing health benefits that avocados have. And the nutrients packed in there, along with this amazing healthy fat, you're gonna feel the benefits. Your skin is gonna look great. You're gonna feel awesome. Just trust me on this one. If you feel like, I don't know about that, just try it for a week and let me know in the comments how you feel about avocado every day for a week. I'm a simple gal, so I like to just have mine on toast with nooch and salt. Nooch, nutritional yeast, if you didn't know that. That's, for me, my favorite way to have avocado, but you can also definitely add it up into a sando. Make yourself an amazing sandwich. Add in a couple slices. You could also do, if you're not into having slices or anything like that, you could just make guac, and that's a really easy way to smash some avocado without even thinking about it. You could do sauces, like I talked about with the chia seeds in number 1. You could combine number 1 and number 5 and do chia seeds in your avocado sauce or dressing, and like avocado in the blender with some lime and salt and any herbs you want, like cilantro, parsley, anything like that is so good. I mean, it's pretty simple, and avocados are so easy to make this creamy, delicious, flavorful dish when you just add awesome ingredients. I don't know if that really came out right, but I think you know what I mean. As always, thank you so much for watching. I love to hear from you guys, so please don't hesitate to comment down below and let me know what ideas you have for making your meals healthier. All right, in the comments below. I'll talk to you guys soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.